What's up, everybody? It's Ford Tech Steve. We've got a little video here with the Superduty today. I'm sure you can already kind of see it, what's on the floor back there. We're doing some lights on the truck. So we're doing 4 of these little 5-inch lights from Auxbeam. So these actually have a amber running light that's in here. These also have the side shooter, so they'll spread light out. But we're going to put those on the truck. I'm going to do something a little different with this video. It's going to be more of a kind of time-lapse video putting this on. We're going to try that out. Try to make the video a little bit shorter and make it a little more interesting for everybody. So one of the things that's nice about this is it does come with its own little harness and everything. Some pretty nice connectors and everything that go right into the back of the little lights there. This also does come with a switch that you can independently control the running light that's on there, the little parking light, the DRL, or the main beam. We're not going to use this. We are actually going to wire it straight into the vehicle wiring harness. So we're going to use this headlight over here. So we're going to have it wired up so anytime the parking lights are on, the amber lights are on. Anytime the high beams are on up here, that's also going to trigger the high beam or the lights that are going to be in the bumper or on the bumper bar. And I'll link all these things in the description as well. So that's what we're going to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share it, and enjoy the video. All right, everybody, let's get started.
Here I'm just taking off the bolts that are holding the bumper on, and this is actually going to be what holds on the bracket itself. Got to support that bumper. There are keepers on the back side of the bumper that hold the bolts in. So I'm getting those started, getting the creeper so I can then put the nut piece on the back. Now if those are started into the nuts, I can go ahead and get the other side done. And that is the bracket installed. It does look pretty good even with just that on there. Alright, moving on to mounting the lights. I did end up putting a piece of foam underneath between the light bracket and the light bar just to make it so it held it a little better. Made it so it didn't turn as easy. With those mounted, just taking the grill off. Also going to take the passenger side headlight out. Here comes the headlight out. I only took the grill off so that I would have easier access for running the cables and everything. Here I'm just putting the leads in. Little jumper wires to go from the back of the connector up to the vehicle, or up to the harness for the aftermarket lights. And these are my trigger wires. make sure you use that heat shrink. Keep moisture out of there. Alright, so here's the fun part. Running the wiring harness for those lights down through by the AC lines, down and in front of the, back behind the bumper there. Since this kit had two, since I had two wiring harnesses available, I ran one to the driver's side lights and one to the passenger side lights. Just connecting those into the harness now, the trigger wires.
All right, everybody, it's time for a light test. I think they work. Sweet. Time to put it back together.
Alright, just buttoning up the last little bit of heat shrink up there. Then the headlight can go back in, the grill can go back on. Just doing a final light test to make sure everything works.
Alright, everybody, so there is the install. I need a nice night out where I can go and aim these, but not that hard of an install. Well, everybody, there's the install. Truck looks sweet with those on there for sure. I went outside, did aim them a little bit. Really didn't need much adjustment. They look pretty good. They light the road up pretty good. I should have filmed it, but I was in the middle of the street, so I didn't want to do that. It's all about getting it done quick. Get it done quick and safely, so I wasn't going to get run over. But if you guys liked it, hit the like button. Throw a subscribe on the channel. Definitely appreciate it. And thanks for watching.